Our primary purpose for this greenhouse is to go in microgreens. With the shelf space that you see here behind me, if I were to occupy each shelf right now, it would be 212 flats. We really only do about 100 a week, so at our net profit per flat is about $15 a flat on average over different crops. So let's just say at 100 flats a week, that's $1,500 of net profit per week. If we were to make it go to 200, then we would be at $3,000 per week. We could potentially make this 600 flats per week by expanding on some of the areas in this greenhouse and also double rotating each shelf per week, which we can do if we turned up the heat. If we were to make this go to 600 flats per week, then we would be at $9,000 of profit per week.